Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Parshvika. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today video I want to focus on another question that I got on my video, was how to make the designs or products on your Zazzle store as public. Because some people are having a trouble with the storefront and they don't know how to do that. So here I'm going to be showcasing you pretty quick and pretty short video on how to do that. Let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification. Whenever I upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. I have a lot of the courses, ebooks, guides, planners, all sorts of resources to help you guys make money on the Zazzle, on other print-on-demand platform. The links are in description. You can check out my brand new masterclass about Zazzle Designer Dashboard, how to design your products and how to make them live in your store and how to create a good quality designs that actually sells. Another masterclass is focusing on Zazzle Ambassador program, how to use this program and bring in sales, continue making money every single month. The links are in description. Check it out, guys. Anyways, so I'm gonna dive into my laptop and VR. So this is the dummy store I have on my laptop right now. What you have to do is go over to the product section in your store. Okay, please don't copy the designs in the store. I'm just showcasing you exactly what to do. Then go over to the bulk action here, select here, and you gotta select the products. So we gotta select all non-discontinued products. If you're selecting select all discontinued products, then these are the products that are no longer available on the Zazzle marketplace. These are the products that are not available on the Zazzle. So there's no point in going with that option because these will not going to be public, because the Zazzle is not having these products in their marketplace, because time to time they actually remove some products from their marketplace and they introduce new products. So don't select this option. You got to select all non-discontinued products. And then what you have to do is make public. Simple. That's it. It's going to make your products public. All the hidden products will going to be public. For example, I go to one of this product and I actually show you another method to do that. If you have one of your products as hidden, you can go over to that product and click over to the action at the drop down menu, and then you're gonna see the options make public. Now since this is actually public, that's why we didn't see the option as public, we see the option as make hidden. So I'm just gonna make it hidden for the sake of this video, and then I'm gonna show you how to make it public. Now this is hidden, so you can see this kind of eye, that the eye is blocked. That means this particular product is hidden. So if you see something around this icon around your product in the store, that means that product is not available on the marketplace. It's not available in the store for the public people, for the people to buy. It's only showcasing to you in your store. Okay, so go over to the actions and make public. It's gonna take a few seconds, and here we are. It's public. Very simple, very easy. That's one of the method. And if you have more than one products, then you can go over to the option is select all non-discontinued products, and then make them public. Simple. So if you have more than one product, you can go with this option. If you have one product hidden, then you can select the individual product at the drop down menu here, the actions, and then you can make public from them. So these are the two methods in which you can actually make your hidden products public in the Zazzle storefront. Very simple and very easy tutorial. So hopefully you find this video tutorial useful. Let me know, guys, if it's helpful, if it's actually helping you to make your products public. And if you still have any problems, still it's not working for you, let me know in the comment section below, because oftentimes what happened, the products that are available in the Zazzle marketplace, because they introduce new products from time to time and they actually take away some of the old products from their marketplace because of whatever the reason. I don't know the reason, because every time the reason is different. I don't know it. But some products they take away from the marketplace. So those products, if you actually design those products and those products are there in your store, you cannot make those products public because they are not available in the marketplace. So you cannot make them public. So maybe you're trying to make them public and those are those products that are not available on the Zazzle itself, and that's why those products are hidden even after you making them public because of this reason. So I've cleared your doubt. Hopefully this video makes sense. Let me know if you still have any problems, if still it's not working for you. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.